Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face when the AK raise. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station? Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, the man I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, while dancehall is still being overlooked locally, I am here to point out that marketing is what I feel like I play a role of slowing down dancehall music, viewers and subscribers. And I'm here to prove that with the right marketing, our leading dancehall artists and our genre of dancehall music has what it takes to regain its global popularity, viewers and subscribers. Did you know that first and foremost, Grand Theft Auto is considered one of the best games, well, the Grand Theft Auto series within itself, and somebody even go as far as to say it served as the blueprint for majority of the free roam video games that we see today for those who play video games. Now, worldwide, this series of games are one of the most popular series ever to take digital gaming consoles. Now, did you know Vybz Kartel has 3 tracks on the Grand Theft Auto 5 series? Yeah, I bet enough people don't know that. Where them talk about some other people and some one song with them have. And would they never talk about the multi-million-dollar implications of that? Because Rockstar, the creators of the Grand Theft Auto series, they're not writing a 10 grand check. You have to have hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars. But let's not go there. And the 3 tracks featured are To the Fast Life, or To Fast Life rather. Never Fear Them featuring Papi, of course. And next, Gaza. 3 track. Showing that dancehall never really gone away. It was the fact that dancehall is not being marketed and celebrated by the people who should be celebrating it the most. Internationally, big up the fans who reside internationally, who continue to tell people about the music, continue to share, stream, and purchase the tracks, continue to show the artists the support and them go up on tour or when them do shows internationally. But I feel like say locally, dancehall music is still not being pushed to the masses. Dancehall is still being something that is looked at as something way, because some would say the tax or the way dancehall put money in a people's pocket, it's sort of untaxed, and that is why the society itself or the system itself not show dancehall the support where it's supposed to support. But all them have to do is create an infrastructure around that. Some people that say they don't like the fact that dancehall help poor people survive, just like what the teacher said. From the people who are selling soup out on the front to the people who are dealing with the sound, string it up, pack it out, to the girl let me show up and dance, to the giveaways we are going. They must say a poor people thing. And that is why it is still not being looked at the right way. Because if you see what going uptown, capture reggae and gone with reggae. Yeah man, but you see them start put the Bob, the legend, on the t-shirt them, long before the substance did legalize, and have him on the t-shirt them. We don't have the biggest splits I have ever seen. You didn't know, say what you know? The powers that be and use this to sell our resources. Because not even for sell our culture. They might use the culture for sell the resources. To get people to visit the island and Rayan, which is good for the economy. And if the economy not do well, that means that the youths and the people not going to do well. So, of course, we are all for a thriving economy. We are all for it. But certain measures I will see them go through are certain measures we see them implement to get to a thriving economy. No, we can't agree with it. But just pointing out that dancehall, if marketed the right way, viewers and subscribers, no doubt. Once you talk like Grammy talk and make, we'd have our own category by now. To the achievements that dancehall has made over the decades, to the strides that it has made, to the amount of people where it helped, to the amount of international superstars who use the sound, use the style, but because of lack of support by local stakeholders, we see this go on. But if marketed the right way, and this is the proof, as I must say, ask anybody who play video games. This, well, when me a youth, I think I think I was 4 did that. One time. Last time I played video game. The two playing them only for game right now. But it's a popular game from them time and even long before that. The World Series itself sell millions worldwide. And for Rockstar, say alright, we got add a reggae and dancehall station overall, shows you the worldwide appeal of the reggae and the dancehall sound. And while it still play upon the same station, even during when them a play it, you can say dancehall is a different style of music from reggae, from the tempo and everything. But you don't know, they must say them dancehall station that will carry that Caribbean vibe. But just showing you that internationally, people have a different respect and love for the dancehall genre. Locally, I don't see it there. And even though the Recording Academy don't have a category, maybe those who are do deal with reggae now lobby fee. So them now make it them know, say what you know. Year after year we see them put dancehall artists with reggae artists. You know, say are two different genre of music that's like putting R&B together with rap. And I say just because of black people do the music. You can't do that. Rap and R&B are two separate genres of music, not because of black people do it. That not make it the same. Some people that go as far as to say hip hop different from rap. Those who know. But when we talk about reggae and dancehall, the difference is clear. And we should have our own category at the Grammys. Just saying. To level the playing field, to make it fair for all artists we continue to put out big projects. They're gonna always get overshadowed in these major awards ceremonies and shows just because they are placed in the wrong category. How will it look to see reggae being added to the hip hop category and seeing the hip hop artists win the Grammy? We that's say first and foremost that not fair. And the same thing with dancehall and reggae. When we see nominations being handed out, I want to say, yo, these tracks or these projects put out by these dancehall artists did have more of an impact than these projects were did put out by these other artists. Big them up for them project too as well. But the impact clear. Just like how superstars of the hip hop genre point out, say, what you know? Oh no, we have voted and give out these nominations. We don't know nothing about what are going on the streets. But the same thing we are going right now. It's almost like those who are stakeholders in the music industry, they don't know nothing what are going on the streets. Like for these much decades, people still are confused reggae with dancehall. That should not go on. People should have know that. And those who, as we consider stakeholders in the music, the producers, the people who are about the show, them fear echo them sentiments so the fans will know that. So people who are fans of the music not feel like say, oh, it's just a different style of reggae that. No, it's not a different style of reggae, it's a different style of music. A completely different genre of music. I'm gonna feel like that's how we need to start lobby for next. You know what I mean? Dancehall is still being under-marketed, underrated, but we see it. And I say it have the potential. Dancehall do it and dominate already. Or just that some people, because them can't control the growth of dancehall music and the dancehall superstar, them a do this to dancehall music and I go and like say how them like dancehall. I use it when it's convenient for them. No, it no works so. It no works so, and that's something we need to address. But until the reason again, first and foremost, if you're new to the channel, to the movement, just a pass through, but I like the reason, of course I like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon and put it on all, and this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right as up on the platform. The like icon, to drop a like on the vlog, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Comment section home 24/7, never lock yet, just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. Our move settings fam, and we don't need no ladder.